Welcome back for our next video in our GeForce RTX 40 series showcase. If you didn't see our last video covering the RTX 4060 and RTX 4060 Ti, be sure to check it out. Today, we're going to be showing off both the RTX 4080 and RTX 4090 and highlight some of their key features like RTX and DLSS 3.5. We'll be also showing you some footage from Cyberpunk 2077, Phantom Liberty, and how these GPUs perform in-game. Before we do that, let's jump right into the specs. Starting with the RTX 4080, it's powered by the NVIDIA DLSS architecture. It has 9,728 CUDA cores and 2,205 MHz clock speed with a boost clock of 2,505 MHz. It has 16 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 256-bit memory interface and a total TDP of 320 watts. Next up is the flagship GPU of the GeForce RTX 40 series, the RTX 4090. It's powered by the NVIDIA DLSS architecture. It has 16,384 CUDA cores, a clock speed of 2,235 MHz with a boost clock of 2,520 MHz. It has 24 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 384-bit memory interface and a total TDP of 450 watts. Now I'll pass it over to Jerome, who'll be highlighting NVIDIA features in Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty gameplay. Jerome?
Thanks, Derek. Get the ultimate Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty experience, enhanced with full ray tracing for the most immersive graphics, and DLSS 3.5 with ray reconstruction for unmatched performance, powered by the PNY GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards. DLSS 3.5 introduces ray reconstruction, part of an enhanced AI-powered neural renderer that improves ray traced image quality for all GeForce RTX GPUs by replacing hand-tuned denoisers with an NVIDIA supercomputer-trained AI network that generates higher quality pixels. Trained with 5 times more data than DLSS 3, DLSS 3.5 recognizes different ray traced effects to make smarter decisions about using temporal and spatial data, and to retain high-frequency information for superior quality upscaling and intensive ray-traced content. In the following scene from Cyberpunk 2077, the inaccurate headlight illumination that surrounds the car is a result of the hand-tuned denoiser pulling in inaccurate lighting effects from previous frames. DLSS 3.5 accurately generates lighting, so you can make out the beam of the headlights and see light properly reflect on the curb in front of the car. The streets of Cyberpunk 2077's Night City are filled with reflections from rotating billboards and neon lights. By activating DLSS 3.5, their quality and clarity is vastly improved citywide. With DLSS 3.5, GeForce RTX GPUs deliver better image quality in ray tracing, overdrive mode for Cyberpunk 2077, and Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty, building upon the much-loved enhancements already available in your favorite games. The best way to enjoy Cyberpunk 2077 is by enabling the whole suite of DLSS technologies. The RTX 4080 and 4090 GPUs from NVIDIA are high-powered machines that offer the top-of-the-line gaming performance for the best experience possible. With ray tracing, overdrive mode, and DLSS 3.5 activated, you can enjoy virtual worlds in unmatched graphical fidelity. Click the link below to experience it for yourself today.